Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Jusdi, NPM 1940604017. Saya berasal dari lokal A1. Baik, di sini saya akan menyelesaikan tugas English Math atau Matematika Bahasa Inggris dengan membahas 3 pembahasan, yaitu the first, the mean of lines. Second, describe of the angle. Third, describe of the angle relationship. Okay, next. First, the mean of lines. A line coincide. Is the line having at least 2 common points? The lines that overlap each other lie in a straight line, so they will appear to cover each other or a straight line. B. Crossing lines. 2 lines are said to be crossed if the lines do not lie in one plane and will not intersect if they are extended. Okay, number 2, describe of the angles. A. Angle elbow, kinds of angles, right angles. A right angle is a type of angle that is exactly 90 degrees. Right angles bring together 2 perpendicular lines. B. Taper angles, various angles, acute angles. An acute angle is a type of angle that is less than 90 degrees and forms a sharp or sharp tip. Next, C. Blunt angle, various angles up to obtuse corners. An obtuse angle is a type of angles that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Next, strike angle. A strike angle is a type of angle that is exactly 180 degrees in magnitude. Strike angles are formed by 2 strike intersecting lines. Next, E. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is a type of angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Next, full angle. A full angle is a type of angle that is exactly 360 degrees. The corner from the full angle looks like a complete circle. Next, types of angle based on position. The following is a description of the types of angle based on the size of the angle and its meaning. The first, opposite angle, corner type side-by-side angles. A contiguous angle is a type of angle formed by 3 lines using a single vertex. B. Vertical angle. A vertical angle or opposite angle is a type of angle that joins 2 opposing angles formed by the intersection of 2 lines. C. Complementary angles. A complementary angle is a type of angle that joins 2 adjacent angles whose sum is exactly 90 degrees. The last number is supplementary angle. An angle supplementary is a type of angle that meets 2 adjacent angles whose sum is exactly 180 degrees. Next, number 3. Describe of relationship. Relationship between angle and line angles that occur when two parallel lines are cut by another line. Two parallel lines have a constant distance even though the two lines are extended. The angle is called the opposite angle. Opposite angles. 1. The opposite inner angles, an angle that is between inside two parallel lines and is opposite to the transverse line. The angles are called opposite inner angles. Number 2. Outer angles, opposite angles that are outside of two parallel lines and opposite to the transverse line. The angle is called opposite outer corner unilateral 1. Inner angles, unilateral angles that are inside two parallel lines and both are to the left of the transverse line. The corners are called unilateral inner corners. Two unilateral outer corners angles that are outside two parallel lines and both are to the left of the transverse line. These angles are called unilateral outer angles. Relationships of the angles on two parallel lines intersected by another line. If two parallel lines are intersected by another line, apply A. Facing angles are equal. B. The angles in attack are equal. C. The outer corners are opposite equally. D. The angles in one side at up to 180 degrees. E. The outer corners of one side at up to 180 degrees. Baik, itulah tadi penjelasan dari saya. Apabila terdapat kesalahan, saya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.